night I decided it was time to right my wicked. One stray bullet can do you wrong. Evelyn, baby, porcelain doll, how do you expect to fly the coming fall by selling ass? Going along. Blocks burning down Highway 9. Souped up Ford coupes and the engine made some time from Dawsonville to the ATL. 10,000 gallons of moonshine booze slashed through the floorboards. Needed to rhyme my shoes all broke down. And the words went around. Brother is a driver out on Thunder Road. Whiskey trip 6 nights a week. Got white is the load. His little girl been eating well. Bacon fat, tea bags, mustard green. Is this the way for you to keep your engine clean? Check on me 20 years along. I call the driver for Demon. He's the revenue man. Could distinguish them the least. Got blurry sight, wiping out all these lawmen.